Hello, and welcome to the unboxing video of the Western Digital Easy Store 14TB external hard drive. I bought this on Black Friday from Best Buy. It was $200, which is a steal for 14TB, and I'm going to use it as a backup drive. That is my only intention for the drive. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull the drive out. And then open this little flap here. Pull the rest of the stuff out. So we have exactly what I'd expect to see. Instruction manual with warranty information, power adapter, USB cable, and the drive itself. So, take that off. Western Digital drives are usually packed very well. Okay. Okay, so here's the drive. Ports on the back for USB, power, and Kensington lock. Drive information on the bottom. And a nice sleek black look there. It's ready to be plugged into a computer for backup.